Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I will be speaking to you all about this shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner that I just purchased. And my hair absolutely love it. And for those who are suffering with seborrheic dermatitis, eczema, flakes, I must say that this shampoo, conditioner, this deep conditioner, it works perfectly. It works well. I've been using this line for 2 weeks now, and I must say that I have less itching. This is not a sponsored video. I was just a little concerned about my curls, especially that I straightened it a couple of weeks back, and I just wanted to make sure that my curls were coming back. So when I was looking up conditioners and shampoos on how can rejuvenate your curls or bring back your curls, Functional Beauty did pop up on my Instagram timeline, or my Instagram feed, or my Instagram whatever, and I was like, no, I don't think so. I was a little skeptical because I didn't really see a lot of us during the advertisement, but when I saw the girl curls, and I was like, you know what, let me just take a chance. So I just decided to purchase it with my own money. They did not reach out to me. I was like, you know what, I want my curls to come back. I know I straightened it, and it got a little loose in the front, and I just want my curls to come back because I'm tired of cutting my hair. My sister said that I get scissor happy, and I tend to cut off more than what I needed to cut off. But guys, I absolutely 100% absolutely love their line. I'm gonna show you guys like step by step on when I use the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep conditioner, and the after effect once I was done with everything. I love it. And what I love about these is they smell delicious. Like, your five senses want to be pleased. Your five senses want to know that what you are getting ready to do, or what you are getting ready, whatever the case may be, it wants to know that, it meets the requirements. And when I say that these smell like Jolly Ranchers, these smell like Jolly Ranchers. They smell absolutely delicious. Like, bro, like, it makes me want to use the whole bottle, but it wasn't, it wasn't cheap. A little bit do go a long way, but I must say, like, I love it. So all that I did was I just typed in Functional Beauty, and what Functional Beauty does, it allows you to pick your hair type, your hair texture, and what you expect to see in your hair. What is your hair going through? Just let them know if it's dry, is it brittle, is there not enough moisture? Just tell them, I guess there's like little icons or little tabs that you just click, and what you expect from your hair. Like, I expected my hair to be more moisturized, more volume, more curls, like more healthy, more shiny. So let me share with you what I chose. So once you get the package, it is gonna come, well, mine came in this box. It came in the Functional Beauty box, which was nice. Yeah. So, but before, when I was looking at it and I was trying to see, okay, what my hair is going through, what I expect from my hair. So this is what I chose. So my hair goals were to fix split ends, to hydrate, to lengthen, to strengthen, and to add volume onto my hair. Those were my goals. And I can promise you, and I can say, bruh, like, I love it. Like, I think this might be my go-to. Of course, I got my, of course, a fan of the other products that I share with you all. But for me, I'm telling you guys, like, I was very skeptical. And the price ain't, no Shea Moisture or no Aussie Moist price. You know what I mean? Like, you actually have to spend when you order Functional Beauty. But it doesn't break your pockets, but it does make you realize that you did go in your pocket. You know what I mean? You get it? Basically, they tell you exactly how to use it, when to use it, whatever the case may be. So the shampoo, lather the shampoo with water, massage it, make sure that you distribute the products throughout from the roots to the ends of your hair, and repeat. And I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly what I did right here. what I like to do is condition my hair. Some people like to deep condition, then condition, but that's what I used to do when I was growing up. My mom used to shampoo, deep condition, then condition, but I started to realize that my hair likes it better when I shampoo, condition, then deep condition. Yeah. So what you do with the conditioner is you apply the conditioner to the ends and work your way up. And guys, when I tell you that conditioner gave you mad slip, like I literally thought that I was using Aussie Moist, but because you know Aussie Moist give you mad slip, like mad slip. In the 7-time, the other conditioner that I do love is the 7-time from Tresemme, the Tresemme conditioner, the white bottle, the 7-time. I love that conditioner. Like when I tell you it helps me to tangle, it helps me to tangle. But this right here, I didn't know if it was gonna work well with my hair texture, like, you know, with my hair texture, you know what I mean? I didn't think that, but it works perfectly. And I believe like my texture is like, it falls in the 4, like the 4 type texture. So for me to realize that, wow, y'all did that, I gotta say, they did that. And then of course you want to deep condition, and I highly recommend us sisters or whoever deep condition your hair at least once a week or every 2 weeks. It is vitally important. When I started deep conditioning my hair once a week, I'm telling you, I started to see a difference in my hair. Deep conditioning plays a major role, especially knowing at times like those who like to use heat, those who like to do whatever to their hair, deep condition your hair. And oh yes, I'm gonna add this into the description box or into like whatever it is. But guys, purchase a steamer. Purchase a steamer. I will put the link down in the description box on where I got my steamer. Y'all already know it's from Amazon. The steamer is a life game changer. Like it will change your whole life. Guys, invest in a steamer. I have seen a difference when using the steamer. Y'all know, like, even when it pertains to the itchiness, like the flakes, I haven't really seen the patch. Ever since I told you guys, I haven't really seen the white flaky patch, but there was still dandruff and there was still flakes. But when I started to use the steamer more often every week while I deep condition, guys, I'm telling you, you gonna come down in my comment box. You gonna inbox me, whatever the case may be. You gonna be like, you know what, sis? I thank you. I thank you, bro. I thank you. Guys, I highly recommend this product. Again, they didn't reach out to me. Again, they not sponsoring me. Again, I had to lose a little bit of my coins, but I have to take care of my scalp. I have to take care of my hair because I don't have time for the nonsense. You feel me? I just don't have time for that. But guys, if you got the coins, if you got the money, if you want to ask somebody, hey, you want to buy me something? You want to give me a gift? Invest in that function of beauty, because that function of beauty will got not only your hair looking good, but got your scalp looking good. You feel me? But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bro, y'all can always reach me on my Instagram, on my Facebook. Inbox me. I'm free. I try to be as open as I can be. I'm not gonna sit up here just to make y'all lose some coins. I ain't even got the coins to be spending. So for me to realize that, wow, I spent my money on this, and I got great results, I don't know what to say, but I'll see you guys all in my next video. I love you. God bless you, and stay safe.